Today we are in the heart of the beautiful Hampshire countryside, and we have just completed this stone-built outdoor kitchen that looks absolutely incredible. The video for this one is slightly different because we actually started videoing it at the beginning when we first started, so you can actually see the whole process from start to finish as we built it. So we'll show you how we did it, you know, the materials that we've used and all the appliances that we've put in there. So this is day one on site. We're here, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and we have a blank canvas here on this shelter that's just been completed. The patio has just been completed as well. They've got porcelain slabs down there. We've got this beautiful oak structure that has just been completed yesterday. So today we're going to be putting an outdoor kitchen underneath here. It's going to be an L-shaped kitchen. It's going to have a Monolith Kamado in it. It's going to have a sink. It's going to have a fridge. The customer has got their own pizza oven, and we are going to be building it using some stonework, which I will show you later on. We're back again this afternoon, and you can see that the kitchen is taking shape. You can see how it's going to look now, and you can see the stone. So this is a Purbeck stone. It's got a tumbled finish on the outside, but it's been cut on the top and the bottoms, so it's got a uniform sizes. So they're slightly longer than bricks, but the same height. That's Alex, the bricklayer, working his magic. So here we are, this is day 3. The bricklayers have been here for 2 days doing that, and you can now see the structure of the outdoor kitchen. So just to run through, you can see it's an L shape. And so over here we're going to have the sink and the tap and a door underneath. To the left of that, we're going to have a single fridge. To the left of that, we'll have 2 drawer units. Over here, we'll have a double cupboard, access cupboard. The client's going to have their pizza oven on the top there. And then on the side here, we'll have a side burner. And then here, we're going to have the Monolith Kamado oven going in there. So I think you'll agree, it looks really, really nice. This is day 3 on the kitchen, and we're just about to template the worktops. So I'm just waiting for our templator to arrive. We'll get it all measured up, and then the next time that we'll speak to you will be on the worktop installation day. We're going to have Decton worktops on here. It's called Liquid Shell is the name of it. It's a Decton recycled porcelain worktop. Obviously it's going to go all the way around there, but we're going to have like a shelf coming along here as well. So really excited for this. Should look really, really good when it's finished. So we'll see you when the worktops are in. So today is installation day. You can see we're bringing out the boxes for the doors, the side burner and things like that. The granite people have just arrived, so they're going to be unloading the worktops, and we'll be installing those and getting everything finished today. think, as I mentioned before, this incredible oak outdoor structure was already built when we got here. The customer had some outside contractors come in to do that, and this patio was down as well. So we came in, we had a blank canvas. So what I'll do is I'll talk you through it now, and I'll show you everything that we've done here to construct this kitchen. So starting over here, we've just got a stainless steel sink and a tap, and underneath here we've just got a Beefeater single access door, and that just gives you access to the plumbing and everything that's underneath there. Coming along here, you've got the Beefeater stainless steel glass fridge for keeping all your food and your drinks cold. And then coming along to here, you've got the Beefeater stainless steel pull-out tank drawer, which we normally use as a waste drawer, which is quite handy, putting your bin in there. This is an Ooni pizza oven, which is something that the customer got. So they're really good. They're like a portable pizza oven. This one is gas fired. I think you can get wood fired ones, I'm not entirely sure, but this one we've got a hole in the back so that the gas pipe will go down through the worktop underneath here, and it will actually come into this access cupboard underneath here, where we have this. So we have this pipe coming down here, we've got this this splitter here with valves on it, so the pipe here will go off to the pizza oven over there, and this one here powers the side burner. Then obviously here you've got the regulator that's going to go into the gas tank. This can also be used for storage and everything else as well. Close those. This here is a Beefeater Proline quad burner. It's a side burner, and this is part of the Beefeater Proline series of barbecues. They're very contemporary, very sleek, and really good. So there you go, you can see that now. It's all stainless steel. You've got your knob there and everything else, and that's gas fired too. Coming over to here, we've got the Monolith Kamado oven. This is a classic size Pro Series 2. I have actually done a video on this, a review and an unboxing if you want to watch that. I'll leave a link above, and I'll also put a link in the description below. So if you want to go and have a look at that, just follow those links. This is an incredible oven. It's a Kamado oven, so this can be used for slow cooking, roasting, searing. It can be used as a pizza oven. It's got rotisseries that comes with it. It's a really amazing, versatile oven that can be used for all sorts of cooking. So on this kitchen, the first for us was this beautiful stonework. So these stones come from the Isle of Purbeck, which are some hills that are not far from here. They're in Dorset, but it comes from a quarry in the Purbeck Hills. And they have this lovely sort of limestone finish and a tumbled finish as well. These ones have actually been cut, I think I mentioned before earlier in the video, they've been cut to uniform sizes to make them easier to lay. So that's where those come from. And then over here, these worktops are Decton worktops, and this one is called Liquid Shell. So Decton is a recycled porcelain material. It's a man-made material, really good for outside, and it comes in a variety of colors. And this one is just this beautiful sort of creamy sandy finish, and it works so well with the Purbeck stone and the stainless steel as well. So, and the customers decided to go for like the shelves around as well, and it just, the whole thing ties it in really nicely, and it works really well. So thanks very much for watching that video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments below if you prefer this style of video where we film it from the beginning and we take you through the whole process from the start, or whether you just prefer it where we video once the kitchen's been completed and we'll talk you through it then. We try and do one of these videos once a week, so if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified every time we bring out one of these videos. We do also have an Instagram and a Facebook account. I'll leave the links to those below, and I'll put them in the description as well. We try and post on there a couple of times a week showing you everything that we're doing currently, all the projects that we're working on. So if you need any inspiration or anything like that, just head over there and follow us on there. We also have a brand new website that's gone live, which we're really excited about. So we've got all the products, there's lots of pictures and other inspirational ideas on there, so go over and check that out. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching.